guys, I just want to take this Quadrone tumbler or Maximus up for a couple of minutes because I'm sending it out to Butch, but I want to test the... Yeah, it's way too windy for this thing, but I don't care. I just want to see what the video looks like, okay? So that's the worry. I'm just going to take it up for a couple of minutes, and we want to see what the video looks like, and then I'll send it out to Butch. There it is. It's a beauty. Okay, let's fire it up and get it up in the air for a couple of minutes. But don't, Butch, we're hoping it don't fly away. I'll put it in a high rate to make it easy. Let me see if the lights start flashing if I hit the video button. Yeah, it's way too windy for this thing. There's no doubt about that. But we'll see. Okay, is this going to be one of them ones if the video's recording it won't flip? Okay, I see if I turn the video off. See, I don't know if the video is recording or not, because it's not giving me any indication that it's working. You know, it's not flashing or anything like that, so... It flies good, man. This time I got the camera and the landing gear on it. Flies good. For some reason the flips aren't working. They were working the other day, but now they're not, so. Let me try changing the speed. Maybe that has something to do with it. Oh, that first speed is just brutal. Okay, look at the pitch. It barely wants to move. Yeah, you definitely want to fly it in the high rate out here, no doubt. It's pretty stable, though. I just wish I knew if the damn video was working or not. I don't want to go up there too high. That wind will grab it. Like I said, I'm sending this to somebody, so I don't want to screw it up. Flies good, though. I don't got no problem with it. Well, Butch, if the video isn't working, that's up to you to fix it, okay? That's not up to me, brother. But it flies nice in the high rate, you know. I don't understand why the flips ain't working. I just charged the battery up. I don't get it. there is no other button for flips. Just one. There's one flip button. I'm pressing the hell out of it. It's saying no flips for you. Okay, I've had enough of this thing. I don't know if the video's working, it's not working. It's a real bummer. I don't know why the flips worked the other day and they won't work now. I don't get it. Let me see something here. Yeah, nothing flashes when you hit the video button. Okay, there it is. It's recording now. I see a little red light flashing inside of the camera. You can see it. Okay, so now I know the video's recording now. It's funny, you got to look inside of the camera to see if the video's working or not. Okay? Flip still ain't working. I don't get it. I think it said 720 on the box. Oh, 720p or something like that. Yeah, get out of here. I ain't buying that. Maybe it's I'll take a P. Okay, but I don't know about 720p. That punch out speed is pretty dreadful. There it goes. It's not that good. The yaw speed is way better than the punch out speed, that's for sure. It spins in circles faster than it goes up. Alright. Well, Butch, I'm going to have to leave it up to you to get the damn flips working. I give up. I give up on the Quadrone Maximus. Let me just... Alright. That's it. I've had enough of this thing. Okay, the light's still flashing in there, so at least we got some video. Okay, it stopped. Okay, so that's what it is. You have to look inside the camera here, and you'll see a little light flashing. That way you know the video's working. Okay. Alright, boys. That's enough of the Maximus Quadronus. Alright. I'll see you next time.